Welcome to my channel. In this video, we explore the amazing aspects of the logging industry, from powerful machines to cutting-edge technology. It's a comprehensive journey that you can't miss. Subscribe to our channel to enter the magical world of logging with us now. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. High on the pine-covered hills, workers, fully equipped with protective gear, take on the colossal challenge of cutting towering trees. Their chainsaws roar to life, carving through the dense wood with remarkable precision. Suspended high above the ground, a worker trims branches from towering trees. Suddenly, a rogue branch falls unexpectedly, narrowly missing its mark, adding a dangerous twist to the scene. Deep in the forest, the John Deere Harvester 1270G works seamlessly alongside the Forwarder 1510G. Together, they harvest and transport timber with unparalleled efficiency. The Bell 6000, 2017, processes timber into uniform logs, splitting them into perfectly sized pieces for firewood production. The Carlton 7015 TRX grinds massive stumps into fine sawdust, its blades spinning at incredible speed to obliterate even the toughest wood remnants. With its powerful Caterpillar C9 engine, the Petzolato PTH 1200 to 660M pulverizes massive logs into fine sawdust in record time. Navigating through muddy trails, the Ponce tractor hauls its heavy load of timber with unwavering determination. In a thrilling showdown, the Steel MS 881 and Husqvarna 3120 XP compete head-to-head, their engines roaring in a battle of power and precision. Inside the sawmill, a skilled worker operates a large circular saw, transforming massive pine logs into smooth, precise planks. On a steep hillside, the John Deere 640H maneuvers with precision, pulling massive logs uphill with its robust cables. Fully loaded with enormous logs, the Mack are 600 rumbles along the winding dirt roads. The sound of crunching gravel fills the air as the truck navigates sharp turns, kicking up clouds of dust in its wake. At the timber yard, the Svetruck TMF 32-22 carefully lifts massive logs off the powerful Volvo FH16 6x4 700 horsepower truck. With precision handling, the logs are stacked neatly, creating towering piles that stand as monuments to efficiency. Thanks for watching today's video about the journey of exploring the synthetic logging industry. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.